Ms. Smith, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
On June 21st, 2024, officers were dispatched to an assault family call and spoke with the complaining witness, the defendant's mother. The complaining witness said that she was arguing with her son and the defendant came outside and hit her in the stomach with a rock.
Hit her in the stomach with a rock.
The complaining witness advised that she felt pain.
Ms. Smith, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. How old are you, ma'am?
17.
You're 17. What do you do in life now? Do we know what mom wants, guys? Does mom want her back home?
She doesn't want a protective order, so she wants to go back.
If I drug test you now, what's going to show up? Let's send her for a drug test right now. I'm sending you for a drug test, and then you must report back here to court. If you do not come back to court, I will issue a bond, and I'm going to put you in custody just like I did the other person. I don't want to have to do that, so come back to me as soon as you take a drug test, and then I'm going to appoint your lawyer today. We're going to figure out where we go from here. But you're in high school, no dope. Do you understand? No, I don't want to talk about the case yet. You have the right to remain silent. I have a bunch of DAs here. Anything you say, they're going to sit there, type it to try to use it against you. I just want to know what, if anything's going to show up on a drug test, and we'll go from there. All right. For now, I'm going to have you sign a reset, and then I'm going to have you get with Tracy, and then we'll see you back here in 10 minutes. Please.
All right.
Hold on, Ms. Smith, is your mom here? Come up, ma'am. Hi. Hi. So who are you in relation to Ms. Smith?
I'm her biological grandmother. I've raised her from a baby.
Does she stay with you now?
Yes, she lives with me.
Okay, so let's do this. I want to send her for a drug test. I want to know what, if anything, is in the system. I'm going to have her come back within the next 15 minutes. We'll get the test and then we'll go from there. I'm going to appoint her a lawyer, and then we need to figure out what's going on with her so that she doesn't get into further trouble. Sure.
The day that happened.
I don't want to talk about the case because I've got a bunch of DAs here. I know that you want to tell your side. I'm going to give you a lawyer. You can you tell what you want to tell me, tell to the lawyer, and then we can figure out where we go. But everybody's here is going to say it. And if it's something that hurts her where you think it's going to help,
But it may not.
Right.
I understand.
so just hang tight, give us like 30 minutes and then we'll, yeah, okay. Thank you for coming though.
Thank you.
Yes, Ms. Smith, come up. No more marijuana. Do you understand? You tested positive. I don't know if you knew that that was going to happen. I had a feeling, you know, when the cat's away, the mice will play, right? So I'm telling you now, I'm going to drug test you 31 days from today. And if you test positive again, that tells me that you've continued to smoke. Guess what's going to happen?
You're going to jail.
Right.
Yeah. As you should. I'm angry.
It's okay. It happens. You know, we're all young and did things that we shouldn't do at one point, but luckily you've not dug yourself into such a hole that you can't crawl out of it now. The problem is what you do now at 17 will affect you for the next 40 years of your life, and you don't get it. And that's okay. That's why we're here to show you what happens. Some people get it. Some people are eternal kids for life and end up with a number on their back forever. So we don't want that for you. We want you to be on the up and up. Have you seen how many lawyers there are here? That's the way to life. The way to life is money. When you have money, good things can happen. Lavish vacation, nice cars. When you don't, at the very minimum, graduate and go on, you'll end up with nothing. So tell me, I want to give you my card. You have my number. If you ever need anything, you let me know. Just tell me what kind of conditions you would like on her and we'll do it. Curfew, no contact. If she's hanging out with back, just,
Definitely a curfew. Because of the type.
oh, I'm sorry. Is this gonna hurt?
And she hangs around that I really don't know nothing about.
Okay,
She
so
went,
let's do this. I don't want to put everybody on the spot, but I'd like you to get with Mr. Sims.
yes,
So you're not in school now, right?
no, summer, yes.
It's summer.
Vacation.
So what are you doing now?
At home, with me, because I'm on vacation, I teach, so. we're both
Great.
on vacation.
Thank you for being a teacher.
Yes, and so, I planned some vacations for me and her sister.
Okay.
Because I've raised her two siblings from babies, I reared them. And I thought maybe by me going back to college and getting my doctoral degree to show them that they could do it too, I wouldn't be going through this.
We're all young and did things,
Yes.
and if we need to put her in lockup, we'll do it.
If
Don't
that,
violate these conditions.
yes, if she violates that, I'm in total agreement because this is her chance to get her life right. And yes, I will.
So what time do you want? Mr. Sims, do you get that?
Time to,
As far as a curfew, you want 9 PM, 10 PM, 7, 7,
11.
11,
Yes.
okay?
Well, let's do 10:30. You know why? Because when I do,
You don't have to explain.
okay.
Just do
She
whatever
do
you
come
want.
back. Yeah, 10:30 is fine.
Smoking weed, because I'm telling you, it will stay in your system for 30 days. If you go out there today and smoke, I will know. And I promise you, it's not going to go well for you. I get the attitude you're giving me, and that's okay. You can hate me all you want. It's okay. I want you to do well. And the only way is to make sure that we are on top of it and make sure that you're doing what you're supposed to do. And when not, and when you hang with dogs, you're going to get fleas. As far as it is now, so no harassing or abusive contact with the complaining witness, no weapons and no dope, no alcohol. And I will test you. And that's it. As long as you can stay clean, you and I will be best friends, Ms. Smith. Okay, so hang tight. We're gonna have her take a seat. I'm gonna get with Tracy for the bond conditions and then we'll go from there. You have my card. You ever have an issue, first get a hold of Mr. Sims and he'll get a hold of me. And then we'll go from there, okay?
I appreciate you. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for doing what you're doing. Hey, what's your name?